if you're like me and you're reading and trying to find out what RAG is about, behind the scenes, what's really going on is as simple as what you're seeing on the screen right now. We're going out, we're doing a query against an external data source. In our example, it's a hybrid data source. It could be a graph database. It could be a lot of different sources of information. And we're taking the results of that query and we're appending it to the prompt. So looping back around to our 10K discussion, an example from earlier, instead of saying, here's a PDF, here's a section we care about in the PDF, go find it yourself, Mr. LLM, and come back with relevant data. No, what we're doing is we are performing a query, obtaining the information out of our corpus and appending it to the prompt that the user created. So we're rewriting the prompt to include the results of the query. In this particular case, we're rewriting the prompt to include the relevant section from the PDF and saying, please go out and get the information using only this data. So this is the updated prompt. And at first glance, when you see an example like this, it almost looks like you're cheating. And this is a very simplified example, but the same works true if you have a huge collection of data out there or an entire database full of 10K information and you want to extract only the information you care about. But given that simplified example, we can go to the next slide and see what the LLM produced when given this prompt. So now you'll notice that it has a perfect score. So when presented with only the data we care about, which is really the secret to LLMs, it was able to actually summarize that data and give us the correct results, minus the hallucination and people who work for other companies, and minus any information that it's trying to come out of its training with, and give us absolutely accurate results based on the data that we gave it.